Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a light classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
Good evening, all. Guys, kindly confirm, is my voice audible?
Susmita, audible.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the confirmation. So we'll start the day, we'll start the session for the day, sir.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Good evening, guys. Can you please start with me? Everyone should be active. Afrain, Ajay, Ajit. Everyone should be inactive. Deepika. Yes. Gaurav. Please start with me. Whoever watching on the YouTube also, please chat with us. Everyone should active because I need to cover all the logics, complete data structures, lead code, code shuffle, everything I need to cover. But I need the response from you people. Sandhya, Aditi, chat with me. Only 5 to 6 members are active. Fine. Let me share my screen. Here, try to observe this one. Let me start from logical questions. So this is my agenda. This is my agenda. Initially, I will start with the logical questions. Fine. In logical questions, I will cover arrays concept. I will cover which concept? Arrays. And I will cover strings. And one more thing. Third one is the previous company papers. Especially, I will put the focus on Oracle company questions. And one more thing is the already I have the PayPal questions. PayPal company questions. And I have a few more companies. I'm not sure. I will check with the drive. Fine. Oracle and PayPal questions. What are the questions they asked? So that is our target. Fine. And I will use online editors for the execution. Direct execution, I need to go for the execution of the logic. Online editors I want to use. Let me go for the online editor. And one more thing. Any one of the programming language, not a particular thing here. One important note point I need to tell you. Don't put our focus on C, C++, Java, Python, .NET. No. Same concepts, arrays concepts, string concepts. These concepts we can execute into any language. In language, because so many members they're bouncing here itself only. In our mind, some point is there. Will you cover with the Java? Will you cover with the C? Will you cover with the CPP? Leave it. We can implement these concepts into any language, not a particular language. Fine. Choose now. Initially, my suggestion is the go for the Java, and few days go for the Python. Once again, I will tell you, don't raise the concerns like, sir, I don't know the Java, sir, I don't know the Python. Leave it. How much knowledge you required? How much knowledge you required to execute logical questions in Java? I will cover it. Only required knowledge. Don't think like complete core Java, like oops, collections, we won't cover it. And another thing, how much knowledge is required to understand in Python? I will cover it also. So these many number of things I will cover as part of it. Fine. Now, guys, can I continue? But directly let me start the content, no more introduction, not like that. Directly start with the content. Yes or not? Fine. Yeah. Guys, so say this one. In Java, how to display data? Display data on console. I want to display data on console. To display data on console, here we need to go for system dot. In the system, S should be the capital. System dot out dot system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Here we need to go to hello, welcome to ExcelR. Got it now? System dot out dot println. Hello, welcome to ExcelR. These kind of things. So once again, I'm requesting you. People, don't put your focus on, sir, what is the system? System is the class, leave it. Don't do R&D in that area. Do the R&D in the logical question. So that is my suggestion. Fine. Out is one static variable. Println is the one method. Leave it. Just to know the names and you need to leave it. Finally, what is the use of this code? This code is used to Chandrasekhar. This code is used to display data on console. Shruti, am I right or not? Varma, Brunda, please respond. This code, whatever the code we have, this code is used to display data on console. Am I right or not? Fine. Now, how we need to do? How we people need to do? Fine. Here we have one online editor. We have online editor. Take anything, not an issue. So this is one online editor. Let me share it. Gaurav Verma, very good Gaurav. I hope you're very active. Fine. I shared one online link to you people. Now here, assume this one. Here, what is the class we have? System.out.println of hello, welcome to ExcelR. Hello, welcome to ExcelR. Something I need to place. On the top, here on the top, you have the run button. Click the run button. Yes, automatically we are able to see the hello, welcome to ExcelR. And one more thing. How to declare variable? I want to declare one variable. How we can declare the variable? Try to say this one. Int x equal to, not only x, we can take anything. Int x equal to, I need to take the 100. So whatever the literal we have, whatever the value we have, this is the value. This value stored to one user defined variable, then that user defined variable we can call x. Same stuff I will cover with the Python also, no need to worry. Same stuff, whatever the stuff I'm covering here, same stuff I will cover with the Python also, no need to worry. First of all, understand it here. So what is the meaning of this code? Whatever the value we have, that value stored to x variable. Now try to take the another variable. I need to take the another variable here. How we can take the one more variable? Into y equal to I want to take the 200. Fine. Guys, so don't feel bored because some non-IT students are joined here. For that people, we need to cover some awareness. That's it. Not more, just awareness. Just awareness I need to provide. That's it. Just maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Directly we will enter with the logical questions. No need to worry. Fine. X variable contain what? Abhi, someone chat with me. X variable contains what? 100. Y variable contains what? Reply. Y variable contain what? Coming to the y variable container 200. Chart with me. Online people, please chart with me. Online team, please chart with me. Fine. Next one. Here, print the data. How we need to print it? Println. Println equal to, here we need to pass the addition. Here we need to place the plus button. Plus, how we can perform the addition operation? X plus y. Automatically we can perform the addition operation. Fine. Do the subtraction operation. I need to do the subtraction operation, and here we should be in a position we need to see the subtraction operation. Subtraction equal to y minus x. Now go to the one more thing here, multiplication operation. Go to the multiplication operation. Simply we need to go to the multiplication operation. X into y. Next one. Here go to the one more operation. Which operation? Here we need to go to the one more operation. Which operation? Division operation. And here I need to go for the y by x. Simply I need to go through the y by x. Fine. Now how we can execute the code? Will you people help me how we can execute the code? And here we need to click the run option. Automatically we are able to execute the code. Fine. Now can you please run the code? Not required. Star are not required. Dots are not required. Please run the code. I'm requesting you people need to run the code. Run the code. Live execution is required. What happened here? Where is the code? Is it completed? Can I continue? Can I continue? Is it completed? Please reply. Someone need to reply. Done now? Okay, fine. Next one. See the another thing. Okay. Fine. I will let you know. Here, what is array? Can anyone tell what is an array? Even though non-IT people also, you can understand. You can understand. First of all, remove that point from your mind. I'm the non-IT person, can understand or not. Leave it. Leave that negative thought. Try to learn from the scratch itself. Fine. Now, what is array? Group of values. Group of values called as array. Group of values. Group of similar. Group of similar elements called as array. Am I right or not? For example, assume this one. For example, assume this one. Here assume this one. Here, this is the array. In Java, we will represent like this. In other languages, we can represent in the other manner, not an issue. Take one variable. We need to take one variable. Try to take one variable. Please, Jyoti, please raise our question. Jyoti, please raise our question. Kondapalli Sai Jyoti, please ask your question. Kondapalli Sai Jyoti, please ask your question. Hello. Need to say this one. Here I need to do the something. Yeah. Fine. Here, now observe this one. Here it contain this is the syntax of array. Like you may feel like not syntax, this is a representation of array in the Java. Fine. Don't think, sir, you don't ask the question like that. Sir, why you are covering with the Java? Few days only. Definitely after a few days I will shift to Python. If everyone comfortable, then we will continue with the core Java only. Don't put your focus on the language. Please put your focus on the logics. That's it. Fine. Here, I want to take one array. So this is array. Into array ARR equal to. Into array ARR equal to. See this one. Into array ARR equal to. Here I wanted to place 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. So this is nothing but one array. Fine. Each element contain indexes. Each element contain indexes. The index of this element is 0. The index of this element is 1. The index of this element is 2. The index of this element is 3. The index of this element is 4. Yes or not? Index starts from, at least to try to chart with me. Index starts from, reply chart with me. Index starts from where? Coming to the index starts from 0. And one more thing. Can you tell the number of elements? Can you people tell the number of elements? Number of elements. How many elements we have? We have the 5 or not? Number of elements we can call size also. Number of elements we can call length also. Some people they are calling the size. Some people they are calling the length. Some people they are calling the number of elements also. Fine. I'm requesting non-IT people. Are you people okay with this one? Are you people okay with this one? Non-IT students, are you people okay with this one? Please reply, non-IT students. Fine. And another thing. One more thing. How to print 10? I wanted to print 10. 10 is there now. I wanted to print 10. How can we print the 10? Observe this one. Here, int x equal to, into x equal to ARR of 0 into x equal to ARR of 0. So automatically, whatever the 10 we have, that 10 automatically stored to the x variable. And another thing, how to print that x variable? I wanted to print the text variable system dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of x here. So automatically output is the what is the output here? We are able to see the output. The output is the 10 is the output. Got it or not? Fine. Now observe this part. How we needed to handle it? Yeah. Remove this code. Remove it. Take one array here. Can you please take one array here? We should be in a position we need to take one array here. How we can take the array here? Int array ARR equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Fun. And another thing, read 10 answer. Read elements. How to read first element? Int A equal to, not only A, we can take anything. ARR of 0. So because of ARR of 0, whatever the 10 we have, that 10 stored to A itself. That 10 stored to where? A itself. And print it. How we can print it here? We should be in a position we need to print it. Println of A. And read 20. Don't fill the bore also. Please consider we need to start from scratch itself. We need to consider non-IT students also. Fine. Next one. Please read 20 also. How we can read 20? Into B equal to ARR of 1 into B equal to ARR of 1. So whatever the 20 we have, that 20 stored to B itself. And another thing is the here println of B. Fine. I'm requesting you read 30. I'm requesting you read 40. And I'm requesting you read 50. I'm requesting you read 30, read 40, and read 50 also. I'm requesting you. And one more thing. Find number of elements. I'm asking you find number of elements. Say this one here. Find number of elements. We need to find the number of elements. So, how we can find the number of elements? Int x equal to ARR dot length. So what is the ARR dot length here? Contain how many elements? Reply, please reply. Contain how many elements? 5 elements na? Contain the 5 elements. So that 5 store to the x. X contain number of elements. Coming to the x contain number of elements. Now print x. Yes, now run the code. Don't fill the bore, guys. Never fill the bore. Say this one. This is what? This is the first element. This is what? This is the second element. And I'm asking you, read the 30, read the 40, and read the 50. Now, x contain what? X contain number of elements. Whatever the x we have, the x contain number of elements. How to get a number of elements? With the help of what? ARR dot length. With the help of ARR dot length, automatically we will get a number of elements. Now, observe this one. Now, let me download this file and you people need to do that one. Execute the code. Execute live execution. Never say, sir, after I will execute. No, live execution. We are expecting live execution. Yes, sir. Someone asked, explain the last line. Nothing. Say this one. Shraddha. Shraddha, say this one. ARR dot length. ARR dot length means number of elements. ARR dot length will return number of elements. That number stored to where? X. Shraddha, catch my point or not? Shraddha, please give the reply to me. Shravan, no need to give the method call. No need to give the brackets. Shraddha, please answer. What is ERR dot length? ERR dot length will give number. That number representing number of elements. That number stored to X variable. Fine. Share the screenshots to me. You people need to share the screenshots to me. You people need to share the screenshots. You people should execute it. You people should execute it. Don't feel bored. We need to start from the scratch itself. Scratch to up to the company level. Share the screenshot in the chat box. Please share the screenshots in the chat box. Manisha, please follow the same ID. It's for the uniform purpose. I think you can use the other thing also. I'm requesting you use the same ID. Fine. Can I go to the other program or can I wait? Please reply. Can I go to other program or can I wait? Guys, I'm requesting everyone need to share the screenshots. Everyone need to share the screenshots. Manish, Susmita, where is the 30? Susmita, you need to read the 30. Susmita, no, I think don't to type this one. I need the 30. Read all the elements, guys. Read all the elements. I'm requesting you. You people need to read all the elements. Don't to do this one. I'm requesting you read 30. So you need to read the 30, read the 40, read the 50. Don't write a comment like that. Fine. Now, can I continue? Can I continue? Please answer. Short with me, friends. Please short with me. Yes. Now, please go through the one more program. Create one array. I wanted to create one array. How we can create? Into array ERR equal to. Into array ERR equal to. Here I wanted to place 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400 comma 500. 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400 comma 500. Say this one. Now my requirement. Update 100 to 1000. Update 100 to 1000. So this is the 100 na. This is the 100 na. Yes, that 100 I want to update to 1000. Fine. Now how? Say this one. No. What is the ARR of 0? Please answer. What is the ARR of 0? Answer, you people need to answer. What is the ARR of 0? 100. That 100 I wanted to replace with 1000. So internally what happened? Whatever the 100 we have, that 100 updated with 1000. Fine. And another thing, one more thing. Update 200 with 20. update 200 with 200 with 20. Can anyone help me how we need to do? Can anyone help me how we need to do? ERR of 1. ERR of 1 equal to 20. So whatever the 200 we have, that 200 updated with the 20. Whoever watching in the YouTube, please consider we need to start from scratch. We need to discuss these topics with the non-IT background students also. So that's our main agenda. Fine, next one. And another thing. Update 300 to 3000. And update, this is the assignment I'm asking here. This is the assignment I'm asking from you. Fine, next one. Update 400 to 40. And 400 to 40. And update 500 to 500 to 5. And update 500 to 5. Next one. Read all elements. Read all elements. Fine. How to read the first element? Can anyone help me how to read the first element? Let int a equal to ERR of 0. Friends, can you tell a variable contain what? Can you people tell a variable contain what? Chart with me. A variable contain what? A variable contain 1000. How to print it? How to print it? I wanted to print a. Fine. It's automatically variable to say the 1000. Read. Read a second element, or read third element, or read a fourth element, and read fifth element also. All the elements you need to read. Next one. Find the length. Find number of elements. Can you help me how to find the number of elements? Can you help me how to find the number of elements? Please tell me how to find number of elements. Int x equal to int x equal to int x equal to answer into x equal to ARR dot length. Now print this x. How we can print it here? Println of x. Number of elements are 5. Do up to now. Please do it. I'm expecting answer from you. Don't to type the comment like that. Someone typing the comment like that. No, I'm asking you. This is the assignment. Now take the 2 to 3 minutes of time. You people need to do it. We will cover it now, Shravan Kumar. I will cover it. Do it, I'm waiting here. Everyone needed to do. Everyone needed to do that one. Whoever completed, give the confirmation to me. Share the screenshot. Kalyan Jagadish. Kalyan. Lankal Kalyan Jagadish. Can I go through the other program? Can we go through the other program? Can I continue? Can we continue? Yes, let me continue here. I need to continue it. Fine. How? What is the other program I need to cover? Here, assume this one. Here, into array, ARR equal to, into array ARR equal to, into array ARR equal to, here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Fine. Iterate it. Iterate it. I wanted to iterate it. How we can iterate it? With the help of for loop. I wanted to iterate it. How we can iterate it? With the help of a for loop, we are able to iterate it. Fine. Now, assume this one. For int I equal to 0, this portion we can call initialization. Whatever the portion we have, then this portion we can call initialization. For int I equal to 0, then this portion we can call initialization. Fine. Guys, please tell me, non-IT people, please tell me this portion of what we call initialization. Next one. Here, I less than ERR dot length. This part we can call condition. Whatever the portion we have, this portion we can call condition. Next one. And here we have I++. We can call increment. For loop syntax divided into three portions. So here, portion 1, coming to the portion 1, this portion 1 we can call initialization, and this is the portion 2. Portion 2 we can call condition. Danagaraso. Portion 3. This portion we can call increment or decrement. Either increment, now it is a increment. We can place the decrement also, not an issue. We are able to place the decrement also. Fine. Now, inside the for loop, println ARR of I. Fine. Whoever listening the Omar, it's not possible, Omar. Whoever listening the first name, now take the print method enough. Print method enough, not an issue. Whoever listening the first time, please support me here. Fine. Now, what is the I value? Please answer chart with me. Not one or two members. Everyone need to chart with me. I equal to 0. What is the ARR dot length? What is the ARR dot length? Answer. I need the answer. 5. See this one. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. Is it true or false? 0 less than 5. True or false? So chart with me. True. If it is a true, this code will execute. If it is a true, this code will execute. So ARR of 0. What is ARR of 0? Answer. What is the ARR of 0? 10. Now say this one. After successful execution, I plus plus. After successful execution, I plus plus. So what is I plus plus? What is I plus plus? 0 converted to 0 converted to initially 0 na? Initially 0. That 0 converted to 1. Joshna. That 0 converted to 1. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. Quick chart. I need the quick chart. 1 less than 5. True. ARR of 1. ARR of 1. 20. Next one. I plus plus. 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. ARR of 2. ARR of 2. 30. I plus plus. 3. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. True. ARR of 3. ARR of 3. 40. I plus plus. 4. 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5. True. ARR of 4. 50. Now, I plus plus. 5. 5 less than 5. 5 less than 5. False. False in the sense loop will exit. False in the sense the loop will exit. Whatever the loop we have, that loop will exit. Fine. After exiting the loop, then place some dummy message. Println some dummy, not required, some dummy message. Some dummy message I need to place it. Now, and above that one, we can create one new line also. Not required. These things not required. Fine. Now run the code. Yes. Now we got the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes or not? Yes. Are you people feeling comfortable? Are you people feeling comfortable? Yes. Now execute the code. Chart with me, guys. Never be silent. Chart with me. You people need to chart with me. Srinidhi, Sahana. Out of in a session around in the Zoom around 300 plus members are there. In the YouTube also around 200 members are there. Out of 500, only 10 members are replying. Please share with me, YouTube people, whoever watching the YouTube, please comment to me. Please send the chat message, then I can give the reply to you. The code visible in front of you, never raise any errors. The code is visible in front of you. Never raise any questions. It's a matter of violence of code. Never ask like sir error getting. Never ask. Because I'm displaying the code in front of you. Kirtana just for the new line Kirtana. That is not the great deal Kirtana. That is not the great deal, just to new line. I need some space, that's it. Above here some space. That's not the great deal. Don't put the focus in that area. 5. Okay, now are you people there now? My kind request is don't put your focus on these things. My request to all the participants, never put the focus here. You people need to put the focus here itself. Never put the focus in this area. You people need to put the focus here. Can I continue? Can I write the for loop again? Can I write the for loop again? Answer. Let me write the for loop again here. For, say this one. Initialization into I equal to ERR dot length. Not only 0. Who told to take the 0? No, we can take anything, not an issue. Not only 0. We are ready to take anything, not an issue. So here into I equal to ARR dot length. Simply we need to pass the ARR dot length. Next one. Here see this one and another thing. Another thing is the I greater than or equal to I greater than or equal to 0. I greater than or equal to 0. Next one, I minus minus. We should be in a position. We need to place the I minus minus. Array dot length minus 1. I wanted to place array dot length minus 1. And another thing. Here, sys out of println of ERR of I. Or print of ERR of I. Observe this one. You people need to help me here. In this area, you people need to help out. What is ARR dot length? What is ARR dot length? Help me. What is ARR dot length? Netra, don't get the smart answer. Give the number. What is the ARR dot length? 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Now, I contain which value? I equal to 4. I equal to 4. See this one. 4 greater than or equal to 0. 4 greater than or equal to 0. Reply. I need the quick reply. Non-IT students, it's a pressure to the trainers also, because if you people not giving the response, no use of our sessions. You people should get the reply. See this one, around 700 members are attending here. Only 10 members are active in the session. Everyone needed to tell 4 greater than or equal to 0. 4 greater than or equal to 0. What is the answer? True. True. Fine. Now say this one. ARR of 4. ARR of 4. Reply, what's the ARR of 4? 50. 50. Next one. I minus minus. I minus minus 3. 3 greater than or equal to 0. 3 greater than or equal to 0. True. True. ARR of 3. ARR of 3. 40. Next one. I minus minus. I minus minus 2. 2. ARR of 2. ARR of 2. 30. I minus minus 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0. 1 greater than or equal to 0. True. True. Now, ARR of 1. 10. Next one. I minus minus. I minus minus 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. True. True. ARR of 0. ARR of 0. 10. I minus minus. Minus 1. Minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. False. False in the sense the loop will exit. Thakur, focus is required. Thakur, you sent one message to me. I'm not understanding. Thakur, focus is required. Thakur, say this one. Whatever I'm explaining here, this is not related to non-technical, technical. Everyone can understand. Everyone, including 10th class students also, they can understand. Fine. Thakur, observe this one. Thakur, please unmute yourself. Mr. Thakur, please unmute yourself. Can you please unmute yourself, Mr. Thakur? Thakur. Thakur, it's not related to kind request. It's not related to non-technical, technical. It's not at all related to non-technical, technical. Thakur Nikita, unmute yourself. Please unmute. I sent the request to you. Thakur Nikita, please unmute. I sent the request to you. No, only questions na Thakur. Even though if I try to explain here, we're not in a situation. 50, 40. Thakur, if you unmute, then I can interact with you. I can explain to you. If you unmute, if you're okay to talk with me, I can explain you once again. If you're okay. Thakur, are you there now? Nikita, need the focus, Nikita. Need the focus. Nikita, what is ERR dot length? Guys, please execute. Nikita, if you are able to talk with me, then I can provide the solution to you. If you are unable to interact with me, nothing will happen. Fine. No. Team, I'm requesting you, please execute this code. Nikita, I called your name around 10 times, Nikita. Thakur Nikita. I called your name around 10 times. Nikita, no worries, Nikita. Just unmute, Nikita. I will interact with you. I will explain you again. That is the reason I am asking you, please unmute. Please execute it. Can I continue? Can I continue? Can anyone give the confirmation to me? Netra, can I continue, Netra? Yes. Let me continue. And here, now observe this one. Not only for loop, not only for loop, we have one more loop also. Then that loop we can call while loop. Not only for loop, not only for loop, we have one more loop also. The loop we can call while loop also. Bundy Sandy, mute yourself. Fine. Not only for loop, we have one more loop also. Then that loop we can call while loop. How we can work with the while loop? Any loop we can take up. Any loop, while loop, do while loop, for loop, for each loop. We can take any loop, not an issue here. Fine. How we can work with the while loop? Observe this one. Here, int I equal to 0. Into I equal to 0, initialization. I wanted to place the initialization here. Next one. Here, while I next one. Here I need to go through the while I less than ERR dot length. ERR dot length. While I less than ERR dot length. Next one. Sys out of or println. Println of ERR of I. Next one, I plus plus. I plus plus. Now you people need to explain. Here, you people need to tell what is the I value. What is the I value? Please answer. Hello, what is the I value? I is the 0. Thakur Nikita, at least understand now. I equal to 0. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. Tell me 0 less than 5. Thakur Nikita, respond to me. 0 less than 5. True. It's a true. Mr. Thakur Nikita, Mrs. Nikita, please unmute. 0 less than 5. So 0 less than 5, is it a true or false? True. True in the sense ARR of 0. It's a true. True in the sense this code will execute. ARR of 0. What is ARR of 0? 10. Now say this one. 0 converted to I plus plus means what? 0 converted to 1. 0 converted to what? 1. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. True. True. ARR of 1. ARR of 1. ARR of 1 equal to 20. ARR of 1 equal to what? ARR of 1 equal to, we need to plus the 20. Next one. 1 converted to 1 converted to what? 1 converted to 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. Answer 2 less than 5. True. ARR of 2. ARR of 2. 30. 2. 2 converted to 2. 2 converted to 2. 3. 3 less than 5. Answer 3 less than 5. True. ARR of 3. 40. Next one. 3 converted to 4. 4 less than 5. True. ARR of 4. ARR of 4 answer 50. 4 converted to 5. 5 less than 5. False. False in the sense loop will exit. Thakur, I am expecting at least you got the 50 knowledge. Yes, automatically we're able to say the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Execute it. Same while loop, I'm expecting from you reverse. Same while loop, I'm expecting you in the reverse. Like I'm expecting 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Write the code quickly. Write the code quickly. Reverse the display array elements in reverse order. I'm expecting reply guys. I'm expecting team. I'm expecting you need to print reverse. You people need to print array elements in reverse order. Do it faster. I'm expecting print the array elements in a reverse order by using while loop. Do I need to write the code? Will you people try it? Devansh Pal, run that code. Devansh Pal, run that code and check the output. Devansh Pal, you written some code. Check it whether your code is right or not. Your code is the wrong, Devansh Pal. Someone give the confirmation in the chat box. Do I need to write that code? Do I need to write that code? Start with me. If you people asked me write that code, then I'm ready to write it. But I'm expecting you people need to write it. Then only you are the eligible for this campus placements. What happened, guys? Around more than 500 members are there. No one giving the reply. Someone please give the confirmation. Do I need to write the code? Say yes or no. If you say yes or no, then I will continue. Yes. Can I continue? Can I continue? Yes. Let me continue here. Now, what's the assignment I'm expecting from you? What is the assignment question I'm expecting from you? Assignment question is print in a reverse order. Print in reverse order. This is the question I'm expecting from you. Am I right or not? And another thing. Do the same example again, not an issue. I want to do the same example again, not an issue here. For example, int, not only I, we can take anything here. Int y equal to into y equal to 0. Now, while I less than arr dot length, if wait here, same thing I needed to press the same thing here, not more than that. If I equal to 2, I wanted to make a break. And I plus plus. Right. Nothing will happen. Why? Wait, careful, please wait. Please give me the some time. Don't chat with me. Please give me the some time. Can you tell not I na, it's a Y. My mistake, we are pressing the I. Leave it here. Remove this one. Where is the mistake? No, it's a Y na. Y. Chat with me, friends. You people need to chat with me na. Because I'm doing the wrong na. Because instead of I, I'm taking the something. If I equal, not I, habitual, I'm taking the I. Y equal to 2. We need to perform break. Yes. No, you people need to say expand. What is the Y value? What is the Y value? Please answer. What is Y value? Say yes or no. What is Y value? 0. Y is the 0. Fine. Next one. Say this one and another thing. One more thing is the Y equal to 0. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. What happened? Only Netra attending the Netra P3. 2 members are giving the reply. Give the reply. All the 300 members you need to give the reply. Open the chat box. Please give the reply. Joshna, please give the reply. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. True. True. 0 equal to 2. 0 equal to 2. 0 equal to 2. No, false. False in the sense this code never execute. Whatever the code we have, that code never execute. And ARR of 0. ARR of 0. Answer. ARR of 0 equal to what? ARR of 0 equal to 10. ARR of 0 equal to 10 here. 0 converted to 2. 0 converted to 2. Coming to the 0. 0 converted to 2. 0 converted to 1. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. Answer 1 less than 5. True or false? True. 1 less than 5. That is the true here. ERR of 1. ERR of 1. 20. Y plus plus. Y plus plus. Priti. 2. 2 or not? No. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. Answer. 2 less than 5. Answer is the true. 2 equal to 2. True. True in the sense the execution will break. Break in the sense the execution itself will stop here. The execution will stop here. So that's why we are getting the only 10 and 20 only. We are able to say only 10 and 20 only. Are you people okay? Can I explain? Are you people okay? Can I explain? Reply. Okay, fine. Now, and friends who try to say this one, here I will do something here. Nikita, pain like anything, Nikita. If you ask a scratch itself again, it's a pain to the trainer. Fine, next one. I hope you need to put the focus, Nikita, at least to try to say this one. Instead of Y, Nikita, I want you to take the Z. Nikita, I want you to take the Z. I wanted to take the jet. Jet. Here I wanted to take the continue. Here I wanted to take the jet. And here I wanted to take the jet plus plus. I'm doing the one more example. Answer is the 1021, not more than that one. This continue example later you can do it. First of all, do this one. You people need to do this one. First of all, you people need to do this one. Execute this code. Do it fast. You people need to do it fast. Give the confirmation. Can I wait or can I continue? Please give the confirmation. Can I continue? Anshike Anand. Continue now? Yes. No. Let me try with the other loop. I wanted to try with the other loop here. Let me try with the other loop. One more loop I need to discuss with you. Let me try with the other loop. For int element colon array. Very simple loop for each loop. Very simple loop. Then this loop we can call the for each loop. Now assume this one. This code will execute 5 times. Whatever the code we have, this code will execute around 5 times. No, here to this one. Here println. Println of, we need to pass the element. Very simple. For each loop is very simple. Thakur, see this one, I will get a sufficient time to use this one. Thakur, this code will execute 5 times. Sorry. For the first execution, 10 copied to element. 10 from array. 10 from array copied to element. For the second execution, 20 copied to element. For the third execution, 30 copied to element. 30 copied to element. But next one, and another thing. For the fourth execution, 40 copied to element. Fine. For the last execution, 50 copied to element. Coming to the 50 copied to the element here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Now, please execute this code. Then this loop we can call the for each loop. Mr. Gaurav Verma, I ask you to unmute. From Jinath Bagam, nothing. Jinath Bagam, say this one. This code will execute 5 times. Jinath Bagam. This code will execute 5 times. Mr. Gaurav Verma, say this one. For the first execution, 0th element, copied to element. For the second execution, first element copied to element. So finally element contain what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, not more than that. Execute it. Once a few people done, let me know. Priyanshu, you can take anything, Priyanshu. Priyanshu, you can take anything. Can you continue? Let me continue. Yeah. Give the chat message. Give the chat message with me. Continue now. Yes, let me continue. I need to continue it. Fine. Here. Here, assume this one. Already I shared this code in the chat box. Already I shared this code in the chat box. So no need to worry. Fine. Now assume this one. Let me take one array. I want to take one array. Into array ARR equal to into array ARR equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Into array ARR equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes or not? Fine. And one more thing. Int low equal to ARR of into low equal to 0. Into low equal to 0. Next one. Int high equal to into high equal to ARR dot length. Say this one. ARR dot length. ARR dot length minus 1. Fine. Can you people tell? But before going to that one, leave it here. I think this is not the right example now. This is not the right example now. Then I will go for the one more example to give. Let me go through the one more example. After that, then I need to go for the example. Int x equal to 10. Int y equal to 20. Int x equal to 10 and int y equal to 20. Now print it. Print it. Here I wanted to place before swapping. Before swapping x equal to x and y equal to y. So let me run it. Before swapping x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Before swapping x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Simply I need to place the y equal to 20. X equal to what and y equal to what? Something I need to place it. And one more thing. One more thing is the observe this one. We should be in a position we need to do it. Fine. Now int temp equal to x. Fine. Yeah. Guys, can someone help me? I need the help from you people. I need help from you people. Reply. I need the help from you people. What is the temp now? What is the temp now? Temp contain water. Answer, man. Temp contain water. Friends, please answer. Temp is the 10 or not? Temp is the 10. Yes or not? And another thing. And x equal to y. X equal to y. X contain what? X contain 20. X contain 20. Now, y equal to temp. Y equal to temp. I contain what? 10. Now the y variable. Whatever the y variable we have, that y variable contain 10. Now print it here. I need you to print it. Focus is required. Focus is required. Without a focus, you people can't understand this one. Now here I need you to place the before swapping, after swapping. I will tell you. Temp equal to what? Answer. Temp equal to what? Temp equal to 10 na? Temp equal to 10. And here, x equal to what? X equal to what? X contain the y na? So x equal to what? X equal to 20. And y equal to what? Y equal to what? Y equal to 10. Temp contain what? 10. Good. So see this one. This logic demonstrating swapping of two numbers with the third variable. You may ask me, sir, swapping of two numbers without a third variable, then we will see in the future. No need to worry. This logic demonstrating swapping of two numbers. Swapping of two numbers with the third variable. Do this one. Quick. You people need to do it with a quick manner. No need to hesitate. If anyone is feeling like a difficulty, let me know. Once completed, let me know. Is it completed? Is it completed? Yes, once completed. Once completed, let me continue. Anything na, Shravan, my kind request is the don't put your focus on the print or println or x or y z. Please put your focus on the logic only. My request is don't please deviate from that area. Please deviate from that area. If you put our focus on like a print or println, even though if you place a println output will come. Even if you place a print or println output will come, no need to worry. I'm requesting you, please put your focus on the logic only, not on the above things. Now, let me continue. Can I continue here? Let me continue here. I need you to continue. Here, I'm sorry, this one. Here, you people need to see this one. Here, into array ARR equal to into array ARR equal to 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Into array ARR equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Something I need to press it here. Fine. And another thing. Let me do the one more thing here. Here int low equal to 0 and int high equal to ARR dot length minus 1. So what is the low value? So please answer, what is the low value? What is the low value? Low value is the 0. And what is the high value? What is the high value? Reply, Vaishnavi, reply. What is the high value? High value is the 4. Mr. Shravan Kumar Adav. Susmita, high equal to 4. Next one. Take the loop. While low less than high. While low less than high. Next one. Temp equal to ARR of low and ARR of low equal to ARR of high and ARR of high equal to ARR of high equal to temp. Next one. Low plus plus high minus minus. Low plus plus and high minus minus. And print this array. And whatever the array we have, that array needed to print here. How we can print that array? We should be in a position we need to print that array. How we can print? Println of. I wanted to print that array. Println of. Here we need to pass the I don't want to take any loop. Or take the loop here. Nothing will happen. Take the loop here. Nothing will happen. Take the loop. For int element colon array. And here sys out of here we need to print an element. And take the new line, leave it here, not an issue, leave it here. Everyone need to help me here. Everyone need to help me here. Please observe this one. You people need to tell. Yes, observe this one. Here you people need to tell. What is a low value? Please answer, what is the low value? Answer, guys. What is low value? Low value is the 0. 0 less than 4. 0 less than 4. True. What is the temp value? What is the temp value? 10. What is the ARR of 0th position? What is the ARR of 0th position? This is the ARR of 0th position. This is the 0th position. In the 0th position, which element? Smart thinking is required. Very dummy program. Smart thinking is required. What is the ARR of 4? What is the ARR of 4? 50. That 50 store to which position? 0th position. So whatever the 50 we have, that 50 store to 0th position. Next one. This temp contain what? 10. That 10 store to which position? High position. So finally 50 will be stored here and 10 will be stored here. Assume this one. So now finally I got the output here. The output is this is the output here. 50, 20, 30, 40, 40 and 10. Guys, if you people are feeling comfortable, then let me know. Otherwise, I will explain you again. If you people are okay, let me know. Otherwise, I will explain the logic again. Netra, Priyanshu, burden Priyanshu. Priyanshu, it's a burden to the trainers. Remember that one. Say this one. Nisha Nagarasu. Priyanshu, please unmute yourself. Priyanshu Patil, unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Shruti, say this one. Shruti, what is the ARR of 0? Shruti, what is the ARR of 0? Can you tell me what is the ARR of 0? 10. Shruti, this 10 store to where? Temp. Now temp variable contain 10. Now temp variable contain what? 10. Yeah. Priyanshu, say this one. Now, what is the ARR of high? What is the ARR of high? Shruti, 50. That 50 is to see this one. Always assignment from right to left. Guys, I think I hope you people, whoever feeling like difficult, I hope you people are missing this point. I'm understanding here. You people are missing this point here. Which point you are missing? Say this one. Always right side assignment. This value stored here. Always. Here also same thing now. This is the value now. What's the value of ARR of high? This value stored to where? Here itself. Am I right or not? Don't miss that one. Don't miss that one. Always right value stored to left value. If you catch that point, then you are happy with this one. Otherwise, you are not. Not only this one, these are the basics of programming. So in the future, say this one here and another thing. And one more thing is the, and one more thing. And one more thing I will tell you. And one more thing is the ARR of high means 50. That 50 stored to which position? 0th position. And temp. Temp contain what? Temp contain what? 10. Temp contain 10. That 10 stored to the, that temp stored to the where? 4th position. So by the execution of this code, by the execution of code here, by the execution of this code, this is the output variable to say 50, 20, 30, 40, 10. So this is the output. Fine. Now let me go to the another thing there. Low plus plus. Can anyone answer? Low plus plus. Can anyone give the answer? What is the low plus plus? 1. What is the high minus minus? What is the high minus minus? 3. 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3 reply. 1 less than 3 reply. 1 less than 3 reply. True. Answer is the true here. 1 less than 3. Answer is the true here. Answer is the true here. Simply now observe this one. 1 less than 3. Answer is the true here. What is the temp variable now? Temp equal to ARR of 1. ARR of 1. So what is the ARR of 1? 20 or not? 20. Now ARR of 1. In the first position, who will store? 40 will store. This 40 will store to this position. Whatever the 40 we have, that 40 store to this position. And this 20 store to this position. So finally, by the end of the execution, this is the output variable to say 50, 50, 40, 30, 30, answer 20, 10. It's interchanging or not? Who will interchange here? Who will interchange here? 40 na? Who will interchange here? Say this one. 40 will interchange here. 20 and 40 will interchange here. No. So finally 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So say this one here. Next one. And another thing. Low plus plus. What is low plus plus? What is low plus plus? 2, 2. What is high minus minus? What is high minus minus? 2. 2 less than 2. Priyanshu Patil. 2 less than 2. 2 less than 2. False. False in the sense the loop will break. Whatever the loop we have, that loop will break here. Fine. Before breaking the loop, this is the output or not? This is the output or not? This is the output. This is the output variable to say here. And we need to iterate it. How we need to iterate it? With the help of a for loop. With the help of a for loop, we need to iterate it and we need to print it. Okay, na? Now, please execute it. Are you people happy? Or are you people expecting anything from me? In the teaching wise or logic wise, I'm starting from the scratch itself, but definitely with assurance to you, we will see the peaks itself. We will see the peaks itself. Almost all the concepts I will cover for our batch. And one interview paper also we need to cover. Are you happy or are you expecting any changes from me? Sharing all the coding files again. I shared all the coding files. Can you please download the coding files in the chat box. In the chat box, I shared all the coding files. I shared all the coding files here. Please download the coding files. Execute the code. You people need to execute the code. Guys, attend the session exactly at 7 o'clock. And I will take the 2 hours session perfectly. No more, don't think like 7:15, 7:30, not like that. Exactly at 7 o'clock, I will log into the session. Up to the 9 o'clock, I will take the session. Please put the focus on the sessions only. Never put the focus on the attendance. Never put the focus on the attendance. Some people they're joining at 8:30 only for the attendance. No, at least whoever participating, you people need to execute logics along with me. You people should execute logics along with me. There's a thing I'm expecting from you. There's a thing I'm expecting from you. You people need to execute the logics, but don't attend the sessions for only certification purpose. That's my request. Through this training purpose, if you crack any one of the company, we are feeling very happy here. That's a thing we are expecting here. Please understand. Please understand from my end. Attend these sessions regularly on time from 7 to 9. Don't attend these sessions for only attendance purpose and certificate purpose. Never. No. Did you people executed this code? Are you people able to execute this code? Please tell me. Chandrasekhar, Esna, Susmita.
Yes, sir. If you are done with the session, we'll wind up for the day.
Yeah, Susmita, 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No problems.
Abhinaya, Dana. Yeah, can someone tell me today what are the topics we discussed? What are the logics of basic level? What are the logics we discussed? First one is the loops, like for loop. Next one is the while loop. Next one is the for each loop. I think we forget to discuss the do while loop. We forget to discuss the do while loop. Just to remind me in the tomorrow session, let me cover the do while loop. At the beginning of the session, I'm ready to cover the do while loop here. Fine. And another thing. One more thing is the swapping of two numbers. Swapping of two numbers with the third variable. Fine. Remember, I need to explain swapping of two numbers without a third variable. So that example also I need to cover. Please remind me in the tomorrow session I will cover. Then we will take the loops under these kind of logic questions like anything here. Number of questions, around 100 plus questions we need to discuss in this one here. Next one, and another thing is the reversing array elements. We done with the reversing the array elements. These logics we discussed today here. These many number of logics we discussed today, and tomorrow directly we need to continue with the other logics. Fine. But before joining the tomorrow session, already we shared the source code to you. Already I shared the source code to you people. You people, please go through this source code. Okay, na? Fine. Yeah. Thank you, Susmita. Susmita, you can talk with the participant. You can wind up the session.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you so much. So, students, as you all know, like the session is very important. Just don't join for the certificate purpose or attendance purpose. We are seeing that students are joining at 8:30. So from 7 o'clock, you have to join and you have to listen for the class. If you listen only, you will get the knowledge. Okay. So from tomorrow, just inform your friends as well. They have to join the session at 7 p.m. Exactly at 7 p.m. every day. Okay. Fine. I'm sharing the attendance link again on the chat. Kindly mark your attendance and then you can drop the session. If you guys have any question, you can ask me out. If you don't have any question, you can just drop the session.
Susmita, I'm leaving Susmita.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you. We'll meet again by tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yes, Harshita, there is one question. Yesterday, I did not attend the class due to some reason. The attended class today will leak it. Yeah, no issues, as 15 days was the classes. So, no problem if you don't attend for one day. Yes, if you're done with the attendance, you can leave. We are done for the day. Okay, I can see people are leaving. I hope there is no questions to ask. So we'll wind up for the day. Thank you all. Good night. We'll again meet on tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you, everyone.